Did you know you could raise baby chicks on just whole brown rice, bamboo leaves, and boiled eggs? Feeding these hard to digest foods in their early life expands their digestive system, lengthening the intestinal tract over 2 times the normal length. This will allow your chicken to absorb much more nutrients that will end up in your eggs and meat, as well as allow them to live a more productive life for a longer period of time than conventionally raised chickens. These are Korean natural farming techniques invented by Master Han Kyu Cho. I've adapted Master Cho's world-class methods for my upcoming chicken raising course that will start exclusively for my VIPs on February 1st. My course will help you master all the skills of raising chickens in the most natural way possible. You'll learn to incubate and hatch eggs, select your breed and create your flock, create living floor bedding, special fermented feed, nutrient-rich water, create your own probiotics, minerals, and supplements like seawater, fermented plant juice, and lactobacillus, and much, much more. And you'll even get help from me in my private community group. Sign up in the link in the bio or go to naturesalwaysright.com.